More than 60 people, mostly children, are reported missing after the vessel they were traveling in capsized off Mozambique's coast. The ship carrying people and goods had left Nacala port 3:30 local time on Thursday from Ambaje Strait in northern Nampula province, according to state broadcast Radio Mozambique. It is believed that the accident was caused by bad weather, which affected the region on Thursday afternoon. At least 17 of the people who were on board survived by swimming ashore. Nevertheless, a rescue and search team consisting of health personnel were on ground to ascertain the number of the victims. Mamba District Police Commander Manuela Parula had confirmed the incident.